I was experiencing a lot of back pain, and I'd been to chiropractors and I wasn't getting relief. Maybe 20 minutes after I left their office, I might feel relief. But after we began to come to Butch, I found that his treatments would last for a couple of weeks, and then we would come back again and I'd get a little refresher, and then he taught us how to do a lot of exercises at home so that we could keep limber in between office visits. And I've been to several places for massages, but this is a different kind of massage. When Butch puts his hands on your muscles, whether it's on your back or your legs, I have often told him that I think he's got eyes in his hands because he knows just where to put pressure on your muscles and how to soften them up. It's just an amazing experience when you go into his office and your muscles are tight, and when we leave, you can really get the sensation of your muscles having been released of their tension. It's a great experience. I used to take Advils for my back pain. I might take them a couple of times a week, and then after we started coming to Butch, almost from the very beginning, I didn't need medicine anymore. And now, maybe 2 or 3 times a year I'll take an Advil, but it might be for a headache or it might be for something else, but not for back pain. I'm really so grateful to him. It's made it possible for me to continue my gardening, riding bicycles. I really have no restrictions on physical activity since I've been coming to Butch. It's really great.